Okay, we are ready to bake our first loaves. I'll be baking 2 at a time because 2 of them will fit under the roasting pan lid at the same time. I'm going to be moving this over. This is pretty sticky dough. It's going to need a little bit more flour on it. Now I will slide this whole thing into the oven all at once. Okay, let's get this dough into the oven now. I'll be baking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 232 degrees Celsius. It was preheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. We'll bake for about 10 minutes, and then I'll take off the roasting pan lid. The first 10 minutes is up. Let's take off the roasting pan lid and see how the bread's doing. Always lift the lid away from you because of the intense steam. There, we've got some really lovely bread. I'm going to turn this around. I'll put this back in for another 15 to 20 minutes or until it's nicely browned. So that's how the bread's looking. It's coming out really nice. It has a great oven spring and I'm really happy with it. We'll see how it looks when it comes out of the oven. I'm expecting it to have a nice, holy, fluffy crumb. I left the bread in for 15 more minutes and it's looking nicely browned. So we'll get these out now. Here's our loaves. Now we'll be preheating the oven again for the next bake. I'll turn it up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius, to preheat for the next 2 loaves.